Hello everyone, in this video we will see examples using Rayleigh's power method, or also it is called power method. So in this Rayleigh's power method we are going to find out largest eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvectors using this method. So this is the first example. Question: using Rayleigh's power method, find largest eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2 by taking matrix 1 0 0 transpose as an initial eigenvector. So here remember, here whichever the matrix they will give, it should be a square matrix. And also they will give the initial approximation in the question. So here already initial approximation is given, matrix 1 0 0 transpose. This is the initial approximation, or also it is called initial eigenvector. So to find largest eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvectors, we have to go with some iterations. Therefore, in the solution, let us consider this given matrix as A. So A is equals to 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. And this initial eigenvector I am going to consider as x of 0 is 1 0 0. Transpose is given, so take the transpose of this. So if I take the transpose, it becomes 1 0 0. Transpose means we have to interchange rows in terms of what? Column. So in the first step we have to find the first iteration. The first iteration, that is x of 1 is equals to a into x naught. So A means the given matrix. So write the given matrix 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2 into x naught. What is that x naught value? 1 0 0. So next we need to do matrix multiplication. So to do this matrix multiplication directly, we are going to use the calculator. So in calculator I will show you how to apply matrix multiplication. So for that, first clear the calculator. So how to do that? Shift 9, then 3 2 times equal. So it will reset. Now press shift, then press mode, then press this fix, that is 6. So 6. So now after that we have to fix it for 2 decimal. Therefore next press 2. Next, now we need to add first matrix value. This first matrix we need to add. So for that again press mode. So press mode. Next go for this matrix. So next press 6. So press 6. So it will ask you the first matrix value. Now press 1. Press 1. After that it will ask you the order of that first matrix. So we can see what is the order here: 3 rows 3 columns. Therefore 3 rows 3 column means we need to press 1. So press 1. Now add all 9 elements. So first element is 2. Therefore 2 is equals to, next element 0 is equals to 1 is equals to, next 0 2 0 0 is equals to 2 is equals to 0 is equals to next 1 0 2. So 1 next press is equals to next 0 press is equals to next 2 next is equals to. Now after adding first matrix, next we need to add the second matrix. So for that, first press AC. Next, then press shift, then matrix. Here it is, matrix 4. Then press 4. Okay, then we have to press the dimension. So press 1. So press 1. Then it will ask you the second matrix value, matrix B. Then press 2. So press 2. So next, second matrix order it will ask. What is the second matrix order? 3 rows and only 1 column. Here it is, 3 rows 1 column means we need to press 3. So press 3. So that time add the second matrix elements 1 0 0. So 1 is equals to next 0 is equals to and next 0 is equals to. Next press AC. Now we need to multiply both the matrix. So to multiply these two matrix, after that what we need to do is again press shift. Next here matrix 4, then matrix A, that is 3. Next A is over, next into. So here it is into. Next press shift, again press this matrix 4. Next second matrix B means 4. So press 4. Okay, matrix A into matrix B, then press equal. So that time directly it will multiply. So first one is, that is 2. So you can see here 2. So next element is 0 and the last element is 1. So 2 0 1. So note down here, therefore it is 2 0 1. So this is how we need to do the matrix multiplication using the calculator. Next, after doing the multiplication, we need to take the largest value. Here in this, largest value is 2 outside. So if I take 2 outside, what we need to do in the calculator, we have to divide by 2. So directly here divide by 2. So divide by 2, then press equal. So directly it will divide. Therefore what is the remaining value now? 1 0 0.5. So right here 1 0 0.5. Okay, after doing the matrix multiplication, in this largest number we need to take it outside. If I take 2 outside, every number we need to divide by 2. Therefore 2 divided by 2 is 1. 0 by 2 means 0. Next 1 by 2 means how much here? 0.5. Correct. Therefore this 2 is nothing but eigen value, that I am going to denote by lambda 1. So this is the eigen vector. This I am going to denote by x1. So this is lambda 1 is eigen value, x1 is eigen vector. So this is the first iteration. After completion of the first iteration, go with the second iteration now. Therefore in the second iteration, In the second iteration, x of 1 is over. Next go for x2 is equals to a into x naught is over. We need to take here x1. So which is equals to, again a means same matrix, right? 2 0 1 0 2 0 and 1 0 2, 1 0 2 into now x1 value. What is the x1 value? 1 0 0.5, 1 0 0.5. Again we need to do matrix multiplication. Now here A is common, only second matrix is changed. Therefore in the calculator A we are going to keep it as it is, only we are going to add the second matrix. For that, first press AC, next press shift, then matrix 4, correct? Matrix 4, this, then go for data, that is 2. So press 2, then matrix B, press 2. So press 2. Okay, next add the second matrix elements 1 0 0.5, 1 press is equals to 0 press is equals to, next 0.5 press is equals to. Then we need to do the matrix multiplication. So for that, first press AC, okay, then press shift, then press matrix this 4, next matrix A. What is the matrix A here? 3. Then press 3. So matrix A comes, then multiplication into again press shift, then press this matrix 4, matrix 4, then again press matrix B, that is 4, matrix B, that is 4. Now matrix A into matrix B, it will multiply. So next press is equals to, once I press is equals to the second matrix after multiplication, which answer we will get here? 2.5. So this is a 2.5, next 0, next 2, right? So now note down, therefore which is equals to 2.50, next 2. Now take the largest value, that is, what is the largest value here? 2.5. Take that 2.5 outside. Once I take 2.5 outside, what we need to do in the calculator, we have to divide by 2.5. So press is equals to, so that time here first 1 0 0.8. So note down here 1 0 0.8. So now 2.5 is lambda 2 value and 100.8 is x2 value. Second iteration is over. Now go with the third iteration. So third iteration, that is x3 is equals to a into x2. Again a common, same value you note down, that is 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. So this is a matrix value, correct? Here it is a matrix value. Next write x2 value. What is that x2 value now? 100.8, right? 100.8. Now here A is common, only second matrix is changed. So we need to add the second matrix. So for that, first press AC. Okay, next go with the shift, press shift, then matrix 4, matrix 4, then data, that is 2, press 2, next matrix B, press 2 again press 2. So add second matrix number, 1 is equals to 0 is equals to 0 0.8, press is equals to, after adding second matrix again press AC. So press AC. Now we need to multiply both the matrix. For that again press shift, next matrix this 4, 4, next matrix A, again press 3, 3, that is matrix A, next into next shift 4, matrix B, that is 4, one more time 4. So matrix A into matrix B, then press is equals to, so that time it will multiply both the matrix. So that time what is the answer here? This is 2.80, 2.8. So 2.8, next 0, and next 2.6, 2.6. Then take largest value 2.8 outside. So once I take 2.8 outside, here in the calculator divide by 2.8, correct, divide by 2.8, then press is equals to, so that time it will show you 1, okay, 0, next is 0 0.9285, 0 0.9285. So this is lambda 3 value and this is x3 value. So now third iteration is over. So once you complete third iteration, go with the fourth one. So in the fourth iteration, so x4, x3 before, now you write x4 is equals to a into x3. So again A as it is. So in the matrix A 2 0 1 2 0 1 0 2 0 0 2 0 1 0 2 1 0 2 into next x3. What is the x3 value? Into 1 0 1 0 0 0.9285, 0 0.9285. Again A is common, only second matrix is changed. Therefore we need to add the second matrix in the calculator. So for that first press AC, then press shift, okay, then press matrix, that is 4, then go with the data, press 2, press 2, next go with matrix B, again press 2, press 2. Now write second matrix value, 1 is equals to 0 is equals to 0 0.9285, 0 0.9285, then press is equals to. Now we added the second matrix. After adding second matrix, press AC. Now we need to multiply both the matrix. For that again press shift, okay, press 4, then matrix A, press 3 into, next press shift, again matrix 4, then matrix B 4, press 4. Now matrix A into matrix B, these two matrix it will multiply. Next press is equals to, so that time answer is first one 0 2.9285, 2.9285, next 0 0, next 2.857, 2.857. After that, take largest value outside 2.9285. If I take it outside, so in the calculator we need to divide by same number 2.9285. So that time here 0.9755. So this I'm going to denote by lambda 4 and this x4. So now fourth iteration is over. After completion of the fourth iteration, go for the last iteration, that is the fifth iteration. So x5 is equals to a into x4. Again a, it is common, 201020102 into x4. What is x4 value? 0.9755. So here again a is common, only we need to add the second matrix. For that, in the calculator first press AC, okay, then press shift, okay, next press 4, matrix 4, then go with the data, press 2, press 2, okay, matrix B, again press 2, press 2. So add the second matrix elements 1, next is equals to 0, press is equals to 0.9755, press is equals to, now we added the second matrix. After that press AC, now we need to multiply both the matrix. For that again press shift, next matrix, that is 4, okay, next matrix A, that is 3, the first matrix, into next press shift, okay, next matrix 4, then matrix B, again press 4, so matrix A into matrix B, again press is equals to, so that time it will multiply, therefore which is equals to, what is the answer? 2.9755, 2.9755, next 0, next 2.951, 2.951. Take largest value outside, 2.9755. If I take it outside, what we need to do in the calculator? We need to divide by same number, 2.9755, plus is equals to, so that time write 1010, last is 0.9917, 0.9917. This I am going to denote by lambda 5 and this value I am going to denote by x5. So after completion of 5 iteration, what we are observing here, this lambda 5 is nothing but eigen value is nearly equals to 3 and eigen vector value is nearly 101. Therefore right here, therefore largest eigen value is 2.9755 is nearly equals to 3, and next corresponding largest eigenvector is 0.9917, so which is nearly equals to 101. So this is the solution.